This video introduces the drone-mounted RF direction finder, demonstrating the system preparation before a mission and its operation in locating an RF signal source. First, preparing the system for a mission. Let's start by installing the directional antenna on top of the drone. Secure the support onto the drone using 4 screws and attach the antenna to the support with an additional 2 screws. Next, mount the RF direction finder payload onto the drone's gimbal. The payload, equipped with the standard Dow Jones Indices Skyport interface, can be easily mounted onto the drone, similar to a Dow Jones Indices camera. Connect the antenna to the payload using an RF cable. Second, flying the drone for signal detection and localization. The system's detected frequency range is from 100 MHz to 6 GHz, with accurate localization possible in the frequency range of 700 MHz to 6 GHz. In the demonstration, a signal emitter operating at 901 MHz is placed atop a building to simulate a target signal source. The video showcases how the system locates this signal using the multipath intersection location method. The detected 901 MHz signal is displayed in real time on the top left of the screen, indicating the max hold and real-time signal strength. After configuring flight parameters on the map and initiating the measurement process, the system automatically conducts the multipath intersection location. The drone flies to predefined positions on the map, hovers, and rotates 360 degrees to test the signal strength. Each rotation draws a line on the map, indicating the direction of the strongest signal received. By repeating this process at multiple positions, the system generates intersecting lines on the map, with the intersection point representing the target radio signal's position. The GPS coordinates of this position are displayed on the screen. Alternatively, a pilot can manually operate the system to complete the measurement process. Finally, the drone can navigate to the tested GPS location of the target signal source, with the downward-facing camera capturing the signal emitter in the video feed.